Hey Rob and Ryan, Richard Andrews from Stratty Sales and Rentals. Look, I just thought I'd make a quick video to show where we're up to with things and to give a bit of history of how we got here. Okay, how we got here. How we got here was client was after an SEO solution for real estate. So I said, look, the best thing to do would be to have a WordPress site that connected to Sherlock if we can put something like that together. Turns out, I do a Google search and agentpoint's got one. Good system by the looks of it. Yep. We have property title, description, nice images, availability. We have the features of the property and a Google map. That looks like you plug in there. Now I compare that to the client site. Okay, so theirs is a bit better laid out. Their availability is over 3 months, not a month. But I thought, yeah, that's just a setting. We can sort that. Look, there are a few things that weren't quite right. Titles are wrong. That's no good for SEO. A few other bits and pieces. But I thought, no real drama. We'll sort all those out. But the framework's certainly pretty good. All right, so convince the client to go with it. Go with it, we do. And then we hit some snags. All right, first of all, you don't actually have a Sherlock template. I've got to pick a template that's not Sherlock. Now, the problem with that, of course, is when I pick a template that's not Sherlock specific, it doesn't have all of the Sherlock stuff in it. Yeah. So I've picked a template thinking, all right, who cares? Pick this one. I'm going to redesign it anyway. My design team's going to change everything. But what I got was literally that, without all of the Sherlock stuff. Just where it matched with this template, I got it, but where it didn't match with this template, I didn't. Now, when I came to you guys, and I'm looking at this as your Sherlock template design, and this is your plugin, well, clearly I reasonably expected that's what I get. I explained that to Rob. He was really cool about it and said, yep, all right, fair call, and we'll sort that out for you. So anyway, there's quite a lot of issues with the site. Rob was working on it. It's all good. And got back to me last week and said it's all done. All right, so we're not done. And I want to go through those issues. Okay, so looking at the home page. All right, list view for featured properties. This is a poor template. Okay, it should have the property name there and an address. The property name should be clickable through to the property. This is how it's done for real estate and property management throughout the universe. So to have it like this doesn't make any sense. Then we've got view property over here. So at least we do have a button which allows us to get there. Okay, but this template, not good. All right, let's do a quick search. All right, so this is the search. All right, clearly that's broken. We have 12 properties appearing above the template. We have 12 properties appearing in grid view inside the template. We have a search that's, yeah, look, it's atrocious, really. The layout of that's atrocious. Overlapping here and, over multiple lines like that. That's a poor search. But then on top of that, we've got the same 12 properties showing again, this time in list view. I'm hoping this is just a setting and you can just click something and it'll be fixed. But, if you're telling me that we're done, not quite there yet. All right, but this template, this is good, isn't it? Look, we've got the property name, we've got the property address. So this template here, this list view is better than the homepage one, and I'd like this on the homepage, yeah, with the property title, preferably clickable to the property and the address. We're missing the view property button. So in this case, I've actually got to click on the address, which doesn't make any sense. All right, so the whole point to move to this system was for SEO, but it's got SEO problems, massive ones. For starters, instead of saying Last Rockers Family Appeal address, in the title, it's got real estate police. It doesn't make any sense. I've previously flagged that as a problem. The images come in at the wrong size and they're scaled by HTML but not compressed. So that makes the page really, really slow. All of the property attributes from Sherlock aren't on the page, just not there. Yep, not there at all. Availability, yep, completely broken, doesn't work at all. Which is odd because it seems to be working here on this client site, not working here. So that's no good. What else? Oh, I've got this strange bottom left white div of rubbish. Don't know why that's there. Not for any good reason. Okay, so that's where I'm at. The site is poor. It is slow. It's missing content. The functionality is way below what the client's got now. It's way below your example site. The search is broken. And to add fuel to the fire, Rob advises that the relationship with Sherlock is so toxic that Carl's not even responding to email. So when you're trying to request fixes, you're not even getting an answer. Now, look, be that as it may, that's terrible. I wish it wasn't like that with Sherlock. If I'd known it was like that, I never would have signed up. If I had known that you had an unfinished system and they weren't even going to help you finish it, well, I wouldn't have signed up. Yeah. Bottom line, no one would have. So I'm disappointed that I wasn't informed of that. But okay, we're here now. Can't change that. But toxic relationship or not, I need an availability system as per your system. Here it is. Availability, working, not working. So I need that fixed somehow. I need my search working. I need all the functionality that I could have expected with this plugin as per your demo here. So I can hand it over to my designers and finish it. I can't hand it over to the designers now because there was just so much functionality either broken or missing. So I'm just in this limbo of just not being able to progress. Client's pretty furious, and I need to offer a solution by the end of the week, or the solution is going to be I will get fired. Don't want that to happen. Don't want that to happen at all. I want a positive outcome for everyone here, where I'm able to present to the client a wonderful working agent point system. I show the world that this is exactly where they should be going with their real estate systems, and that's with an agent point WordPress system. But it's easy to use, fast loading, good content, great for SEO. That's what I was always after. That's what I'm still after now. So look, I'm after some assistance, a way forward, some answers, and I'm gonna need to get them in the next 48 hours, or it's just going to be too late. I'm so late with this project now that I have no more time to wait. So let me know what you can do by Wednesday. That'd be super. Thanks very much.